C1. Where did the children keep their lunch boxes? Where did the children keep their lunch boxes? The children kept their lunch boxes on a table near the pool. TH the CHILDREN children, KEPT kept, THEIR there, LUNCH lunch, BOXES boxes, ON on, A TABLE table, NEAR near, TH the PWOL pool. Whose permission did the children take? D1. D1. Whose permission did the children take? Yes or no? Yes. The children, the children took the permission of the pool attendant. The the CHILDREN children, TWOK took, TH the permission, PERMRSSION permission, OF of, TH the PWL pool attendant, ATTENDANT attendant. Name the food. E1. Name the food items the children carried in their lunch boxes. Name the food items the children carried in their lunch boxes. Okay. The children carried chocolate cake, idli, cheese and vegetable sandwiches and upma in their lunch boxes. TH the children, CHILDREN children carried, CARRIED carried, chocolate, CHOCOLATE chocolate cake, cake, idli, IDLI, CHEESE cheese and and vegetable, VEGETABLE vegetable sandwiches, SANDWICHES and and upma, UPMA in their, THEIR their, LUNCH lunch, BOXES boxes in their lunch boxes. We have completed the choose the correct word from the brackets and fill in the blanks, and also answer the following questions A, B, C, D, E. All we have completed. Now activity language development. Read the words given below. Write them in the correct column below. Apple, chair, shirt, sharpener, guava, pins. Skirt, cat, scale, dog, giraffe, frog. Pencil, blouse, tiger, bed, sofa, mango. Horse, eraser, bench, lion, trousers, pants, table, banana, orange, then stapler, pear, cupboard. Okay, these all what you have to do, you have to write them in the correct column. See here, stationery they have given, furniture they have given, fruits they have given, animals they have given, clothes they have given. From this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have to select and write the correct in the correct column. Write the words in the correct column. We have to read the words given below. We have to read. Now apple. Apple, where will you write? Apple, where will you write? Apple. First is given stationery. What? Okay, first we will write then stationery. Stationery, what we will write in the stationery, what we get? We have to write, we get in the stationery sharpener. Sharpener, yes or no? Again, what we get it there? Pins we get. Pins. Write first. From here you have to select and write in the correct column. Right. Sharpener. Sharpener. SHAR. Sharpener. SHARPER. Sharpener. 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 Sear. SHARPER. SHAR. Sharpener. Actually, it is a sharper here given. Actually, it is sharpener. Sharpener. SHARPE. But what they have given here? Sharper. No, write here sharper only. Okay, what is there? That only we will write. Then pins. 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 After pins, what will come again in stationery? Scale will come. Scale. जो स्टेशनरी में मिलता है, स्केल. Okay, then pencil also we will get in there only. Pencil. PENCIL. Sharper they have given here. Sharper. Okay, here what given? No, that only we have written. Actually it is sharpener. Pencil. Pencil. Eraser also we get there only. ERASER. Eraser we get there only. Yes or no? Then again what we get there? Stapler we get there? Yes. Stapler also we get there. ST in the stationery. ST here. STAPLER. 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 Now furniture. Furniture means what you will write here? Chair. Again what is there? First write chair. Can you see? No, here. See here. From this we have to, from this column we have to select and write. Chair, write. Chair. Furniture. CHAIR. Chair. Then again what? Nothing in this one. Here, see here. Bed. Sofa. Bed. Sofa. Furniture. Bed. Sofa. Sofa. After that bench. 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 Can you see? No. See here. Here is their bench. Bench. Table. 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 Cupboard. CUB. Cupboard. BOARD. Cupboard. Then fruits. Now you can tell me fruits. Apple. See here. Apple. Guava. Then here again what is there? Write first. Apple. 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 Guava. 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 Apple is there. Guava is there. Again nothing is there. Here mango is there. Right here. MANGO. Mango. Here is a bench. No. Banana. 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 orange, orange. Here pear, pear. ये क्या करना है तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों? कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज द कॉलम गिवन. स्टेशनरी दुकान में हमें क्या मिलता है, हमें वो लिखना है. फर्नीचर्स जो मिलता है वो फर्नीचर कॉलम में लिखना है. फ्रूट्स जो है वो इधर लिखना है. एनिमल्स यहाँ लिखना है. क्लोथ्स यहाँ लिखना है, कपड़े. ऐसा आया समझ में? यस. नाउ एनिमल्स. एप्पल, चेयर, शर्ट, शार्पनर, गावा, पेन्स. ओवर. देन cat, dog, giraffe. Okay, animals. Cat, dog, 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 giraffe, GIRA, double FE, giraffe. Then here tiger is there. TIGER, tiger. Horse, lion. HORSE, horse, lion. See, this from where I have written means horse, lion. Here it is there, see. Cat, dog, giraffe. Cat, dog, giraffe. After that, horse, lion. Otherwise you may say no, from where teacher wrote all this. Now clothes, kapde. Shirt, 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 clothes. Shirt. Skirt, SKIRT, skirt. Then frock, FROCK, frock. Blouse, BLOUSE, blouse. After that, trousers, TROUSERS, trousers. And last one is pants. ये कपड़ों के बारे में तुम्हें लिखना है. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? यस. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव रिटन, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? हैव यू? ओके. नाउ मेक 4 smaller. Second one, make 4 smaller words from each of the following words. Swimming, swim, SWIM, swim. Okay. Swing, SWING, swing. Then wing, WING, wing. Then SING, 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 SING. S only you have to put here, ING is there. M remove, S right. Then sandwiches, sand, SAND, sand. After that, chase, CHASE, chase. Dish, DISH, dish. And wind, WIND, wind. Permission, Peon, PEON, peon. After that, peon, RIM, rim. Then SIN, sin, sin. After that, SON, sun. S-O-N, sun. Then children, child, C-H-I-L-D, child. Hide, H-I-D-E, H-I-D-E, hide. After that, ride, R-I-D-E, ride. Dine, D-I-N-E, dine. In this way you have to complete. Okay, in this way you have to complete. Have you understood? Okay, now the homework is from page number 42 till where I have taught you today, 43. Make 4 similar words from each of the following words. From here till here, page number 42 to 43, you have to write for 2 times and learn by heart. 2 times and learn by heart. This is the homework for you. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.